on the train on the way down to Southampton from where the Royal Caribbean ship goes from. Harmony of the Seas, it's supposed to be it's not supposed to be, it's taller than the Eiffel Tower, and it's got so many things that I can't wait to check out. So I made a little bit of a boo-boo this morning, forgot my passport. Almost at Southampton and had to get off, go back to London. Luckily my boyfriend ran home and got it for me and met me at Waterloo Station. Thank you! Now back on the train again, back to Southampton. So I've just checked in because I forgot to do that online. I've got my boarding pass and I am all ready and set to go. There's lots of excitement down here. It's like I don't know, going to a music festival or something. Everyone's checking wristbands, but it's all very exciting. The boat is parked outside. It looks huge. Someone just told me there's 23 pools inside. So my goal for the trip is to find every single 23 of these pools. Going to find our room. We're on the 9th floor. This place is humongous. Already got lost. 323, 322. Open sesame. Woo! Look at this view. Off to sea. I've just checked into the room, we've unpacked, we're settling in, and now it's off to explore the ship. Welcome to Harmony of the Seas. I've come here for a 2-night taster of the largest ship in the world. We're going to wine, dine, spa, and do some yoga. So let's go see what we can find. To the Royal Caribbean Harmony of the Seas. We're up here on the top deck. Really top deck. We've got the slide behind us. So far we've seen 5 pools and we've got to go find the rest of the 23 of them. been very busy today, so we're going to take the stairs, counting some of our exercise. It's a little windy here today, but we have managed to explore most of the boat, I think. We've done the spa, we did breakfast, we've done lunch, and now we are getting ready to go watch Grease the musical and also go out to dinner tonight and maybe a little bit of dancing. Last night on the ship, ready for some champagne and also dinner. Cheers! And we just finished the show in Greece and it was amazing. It was a really cool performance. I was singing along the whole time, probably annoyed all the people next to me. Now we're here in Grande having our final meal on the Royal Caribbean cruise. And we unfortunately go home tomorrow because I'd rather just stay the week.